Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of m from this given nice math Olympiad exponential problem. We have m squared minus m raised to power 3 is equal to 36. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have this given equation m squared minus m raised to power 3. This is equal to 36. This can be written as m squared minus m raised to power 3. If you bring this 36 to this side, it becomes minus 36 is equal to 0. But 36 is equal to 27 plus 9. This is m squared minus m raised to power 3 minus this 36, 27 plus 9 is equal to 0. This is m squared minus m raised to power 3. Let's open the bracket with this negative sign. We have minus 27 minus 9 is equal to 0. 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. Then 9 is equal to 3 square. This is m squared minus m raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 square is equal to 0. Now let us pair this with this, and this with this. We have m square minus 3 square minus this m raised to power 3 then plus 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then if you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a plus b bracket we have a square minus ab plus b square, where a is equal to m and b is equal to 3. Then this equation become m plus 3 bracket m minus 3 then minus m plus 3 bracket m square minus 3 multiplied by m plus 3 square bracket, we have this is equal to 0. Then here we are m plus 3 is common here. Let's bring it out. We have m plus 3 bracket if you divide the whole of this by m plus 3, we have m minus 3. Then minus, if you divide the whole of this by m plus 3, we have m square minus 3 multiplied by m, that is 3m plus 3 square, that is 9. Close the bracket, then close the whole bracket, is equal to 0. Now here we have m plus 3 bracket we have m minus 3. Let us open this bracket with this negative sign. We have minus m square plus 3m minus 9, close the bracket, is equal to 0. And this is m plus 3 bracket we have minus m square, and this m plus 3m, that is plus 4m, then minus 3 minus 9, this is minus 12, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is m plus 3 is equal to 0, and the second case is minus m square plus 4m minus 12 is equal to 0. From here, m is equal to minus 3. This is the first value of m. Let us call this m1. Then from here, we need to divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. If you divide this by minus 1, the whole of this equation become m square minus 4m plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And a quadratic general formula is given as m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 12. M is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12 over 2 multiplied by 1. M is equal to minus times minus 4, that is 4, plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 12, that is 48, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. M is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 48, that is minus 32, over 2. M is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 can be written as square root of 16 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. M is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4. Square root of minus 1 is I root 2 over 2. M is equal to 4 over 2 plus or minus 4i over 2 root 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. M is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i root 2. Therefore, M2 is equal to 2 plus 2i root 2, and M3 is equal to 2 minus 2i root 2. These are other values of M. Our final answer are M1 is equal to minus 3, M2 is equal to 2 plus 2i root 2. Then M3 is equal to 2 minus 2i root 2. These are the final answer. You can see that from this, our solution, we have one real root and a two complex root. We may check to confirm if this our answer is right or wrong using this real root, which is m is equal to minus 3. To check, we have the given equation m square minus m raised to power 3 is equal to 36. Then if m is equal to minus 3, this is minus 3 square minus 3 raised to power 3 must be equal to 36. Minus 3 squared, this is 9, minus multiplied by minus 3 raised to power 3, that is minus 27, must be equal to 36. This is 9, minus times minus, that will be plus 27, must be equal to 36. 9 plus 27, this is 36, is equal to 36, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.